Oil's chart just continues to sell off. This is a classic head and shoulders, guys. Again, we very clearly see shoulder, head, shoulder. There's your breakdown, and there's continued price action. Now, you are going to get a little support on here coming in. So you do have support on oil coming around $77.75. That's very close to current levels. Right now, we're at 79. So 77.75 will be this pivot low. Now, it doesn't mean that all of a sudden it's going to go back in a bull market. All this means is it'll probably get a bounce off of that level and then continue down after that. Okay, couple other charts I just want to go over. Natural gas continues to sell off. I'm super happy the way this chart played out because it was a great educational example for you guys. So again, just to remember, we had the channel. It broke out, went up here, pulled back, did a double top, and put a topping tail in right here. Okay, so topping tail right here. You then pulled back, and this candle made a lot of people think it was bullish. It was not, because the topping tail high was still on a closing basis. You did not close above it. The topping tail high was still in control, meaning the bearish signal was still in control. What happened to price? Look, goes right back down. This was almost one way where they could just fake you out in a major way. If you knew the rule, you didn't get faked out. This is why technical analysis is so important, because when you don't have a physical technical reason for doing something, you get very emotional. You look at a candle and you don't have any basis for why you're trading, and you're like, oh my God, this looks crazy. This is going to do this, But ultimately, if you know the rule, you're just like, okay, so yeah, went up, but it didn't fail. And then look at that move down. Target-wise, I told you guys this yesterday. That's your target right in here, right around $3, $3.05, somewhere in that vicinity before I start to get or look for a bounce.